So my name is Yves Massignani. I am a promoter from Antwerp. I represent Contrair. We have enjoyed parties and festivals and concerts for over 4 years now. So we started out as a pop-up club, and now we are enjoying parties and concerts and events everywhere. We are organizing concerts, seating concerts for 400 people, and we're very happy that we are back in our arena this year. So that's why we're standing in the middle. I would say Antwerp has always been a very good place for electronic music. We've benchmarked electronic music for a lot of years, going back to CJ Bolland, Café d'Anvers. Those are the true pioneers in clubbing and house music, let's say. And I think we still carry the fruits of those pioneers. We have a lot of promoters working very hard with a passion for the job. It even goes to Tomorrowland, which is a company based in Antwerp, which is the most valuable or the most avant-garde festival company in the world.
I'm Matthew.
Hello, my name is Jim.
And for 4 years now we've been organizing Klub Dramatik festival in Antwerp in Belgium.
Klub Dramatik is a festival in Antwerp, in Nachtigaalpark. And we've been doing it now for 4 years. The first year it was a festival for like 900 people, actually a festival made by friends, for friends, and now it's our 4th year we are doing it, and we really enjoy it.
So we have a very close community in Antwerp. It's not a super big city, which makes it really nice. The community and the scene is pretty close to each other. Everybody knows each other. A lot of artists combine their works with each other. There's a lot of connection, and that's something we want to show on the festival as well. So working with local talents and international talents combined, and we're very close to the city center actually, which is not very common for a festival.
But we also noticed that the crowd is very loyal to the local festivals. So it's really nice to see that each year we see everybody coming back to the festival, and they really appreciate the small things and not only the big festivals abroad.
Yeah, so last year we introduced a part of the forest. The forest stage was the name, and it's actually completely in between the trees. It was a very exciting thing for people to see, like a new area added to the festival. And then during the last set with David Funk, we had a small electricity problem, and so all the lights went out, but the music kept on playing. And it was such an exciting moment to see everybody take their phones out and the whole forest transformed into like a self-sustainable light show. It was really nice to see like that.